really concerned over the information that we communicate to the client. We have clearly stated in loan contract, in the repayment schedule and the training. In the contract, we clearly state about all terms and conditions that we need the client to know about that before they get loan from us. Yeah. Interest rate, penalty fee, the debt to payment, loan size, and also some communication about some privacy policy. For the interest rate, we put the effective interest rate, which is also requirement from National Bank Cambodia. Because in the past, the microfinance in Cambodia, not only credit, we just put nominal interest rate. So we have a formula from microfinance transparency to do that. In the loan contract, we also need to have some consent from the client in terms of the information shared to the third party. In National Bank Cambodia paper, actually they only want us to state about the CBC, which is Credit Bureau Cambodia. But in the loan contract of credit, we also clearly specify other third party like auditor, researcher, and technical assistant or some required by law. In the loan repayment, we also state total repayment. We clearly separate between principal, interest rate, or the fee or penalty. For the fee, we also have some loan requirement for the client to pay the admin fee and credit bureau fee. Credit bureau fee, it is the requirement from National Bank Cambodia. And we also inform the client about the day or date that they are going to pay each installment. For the contract, actually loan contract for the client, we read in Khmer so that then the client can understand. The communication with the client, both in the written and also in the verbal, when they come to the office. The client keep the repayment schedule, and the contract actually we have one copy with the client, one copy with the credit, and for the group loan, one copy with the group leader also. For the group loan, actually we really want to get all consent from all clients. We want all clients within each group to understand about responsibility or liability before they join the group, because they need to guarantee each other. So when we communicate all term conditions, we need to invite all group members to join, including the group leader. It is a spot check from the direct supervisor and also some sports check from the brand manager. And we also have internal audit department who are responsible to conduct the audit all the credit policy, including the transparency in practice. For the communication material that we use to communicate to the client, we have some leaflet, brochure, poster, our call center. We also have some posts on website. So there are a few recommendations from our lesson learned in terms of implementation transparency. I would recommend one, they have the simple communication tool. It means that term, condition, something that should be very simple for the client to understand. Because microfinance client, mostly they are very rural and poor. And another one is about the investment on the client training or communication. Because sometimes we have leaflet, we have brochure or something, but the style is very important for communicating all information to the client.